counting and identifying components against noisy backgrounds with confusing patterns and glare. It solves applications that are too time-consuming to program with rules-based algorithms and too fast or small for manual inspection. Confusing backgrounds can complicate automated part fixturing. VidiBlue Locate finds single or multiple features on noisy backgrounds, in poorly lit environments, or low-contrast parts. This makes VidiBlue Locate an ideal tool for verifying electronic components are present and in the right location, counting translucent glass medical vials, ensuring kits are assembled correctly, and fixturing on parts for inspection or robotic guidance. The Blue Locate tool trains in just minutes using a small set of sample images. During runtime, the software's human-like intelligence reliably locates and counts parts in milliseconds, keeping up with the fastest production lines. VidiBlue Locate also locates parts despite variations in perspective, orientation, luminance, glare, and color. Locating parts under these conditions drastically reduces development time and solves applications that were impossible with traditional machine vision. The intuitive interface makes it simple to set up and deploy jobs directly on the factory floor. Accessing the VidiBlue Locate tool with Cognex Designer's graphical interface makes it easy to build and deploy applications. For more information on how Cognex VidiBlue Locate tool can solve your complex assembly verification, kitting, counting, and object identification applications,